I've been at Spirax now for 5 years. I started as a CNC machinist and now I'm team leader in Zone 5.
Hi, my name's Paul. I've been here 3.5 years. I'm a setter operator at Spirax.
I'm a CNC operator, setter. I started here roughly 4 years ago. I come in as a trainee with quite little experience.
I've been here for just under a year. I started as a temp with Meridian and then I'm now permanent with Spirax since May.
So a typical day for me is we work to plans. So they know that the operators will know their plans, what they've got to do. They've got work orders and stuff they need to work to.
We get all our tools and gauges out and then we can make the parts from whatever's written in the program. We will follow it down to what sort of different drills and different grooving tools and stuff. And then with the team of roving inspectors as well, they're here to just come around, you know, every few hours, check what you're making.
They're not there to breathe down your neck, show that you're doing wrong. They're there to support everyone.
It sounds more daunting than it is, but it's all quite straightforward, really.
You do get training on all sorts of systems, fan-out, Siemens, shear-ons. So there's loads of opportunities to learn different programs, different CNC machines.
The amount that I've learned in the short time that I've been here is quite surprising, really. It's a testament to the training that you receive when you're here.
So the benefits of Spirax, you've got the pension scheme, right to work scheme, which is good, enable me to get a bike and right to work and pay it back through my wages.
I can come in nice and early, I can finish later, I can come in on a Saturday and then on a Sunday, and the overtime's always there as long as you've got permission to do so.
You do get a lot of bonuses. You get a bonus, profit-related bonus each year.
I've just landed my 6-month mark on the contract, so now I can opt into the share scheme where every share that I buy, they match it.
So day shift allowance for a holiday is 27 days a year, plus you get bank holidays and we have a Christmas shutdown as well.
Yeah, it looks like the company's expanding massively. The workload is flying in.
It's always investing here. They do spend a lot of money on machinery. I've been here 3.5 years and I must have seen probably 6 to 8 machines just come in this side alone.
On the investment side of things, it helps us as machinists all in one, I think, because you can just get the job done a lot quicker, a lot faster, and a lot more efficient as well.
So it's a really clean working environment. They've got their 5S system in place where they're always looking to improve and make your work environment more comfortable to work in. There's free tea and coffee. You get a tea break in the morning and in the afternoon, as well as your lunch break.
So the social side of Spirax, they're pretty good, to be fair. Every year they put on different events for people and the employees to go to.
I enjoy working here. We've got a great team here, all get on well. Everybody helps each other out.
I like coming to it. It's a different challenge each day. And I've got a good team, which I work with. And yeah, everyone knows what they're doing. And it's a good vibe to work. It's a good company to work for.